Good, good morning, everybody. Um, Wild night, very crazy. So yesterday we got Amazon Meta earning, and they were crazy, and future got jumped up big time. But job numbers came in and pulled back all the way down, and the numbers are hot. I remember back in 2008, 2009, when unemployment went lower, market was jumping up. But market right now is too hot. It's all-time high. They want a lower job report. They want a bad jobs number and stuff like that. So market can rip up higher because they want rate cut. But now there's more jobs. There's no need to rate cut. So right now March is out of the picture. March rate cut, and right now they're saying even May no rate cut, and that's causing drops. So anyhow, yesterday on Wednesday we got dark blue bar on the ES, and then yesterday was a rare event. We went up, and today is even a more rare event because we are going down after going up crazy yesterday. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Right now, futures are flat, so it's all about opening action. If it's gonna open and continue dumping lower, or if it's gonna one second, or if it's gonna um, or if it's gonna open and jump up and go back to high of the day. So we'll see. It's all about indicators. Yesterday daily MACD was dead cross, but because of the bounce, it got diverted up, and right now is again on the edge to have a dead cross. We're still very very bullish on weekly until we don't have dark blue bar or dead cross on the MACD. This trend is still up, and deep buyers are still very active. So for now, direction on the 5 and the 15, 30, 1 hour is downward. But as always, keep your mind open. If the 5 and 15 and 30 you see MACD golden crosses, can reverse go all the way up again. Uh, Sorry about that. NQ, same thing like ES. We got dark blue bar on the MACD. Even yes, right now it's still in the dead cross mode, and 4 hour is still very bullish. ES 4 hour TTM squeeze is bullish. Yes, yes, this is still bullish, but MACD is curved down. So if the 4 hour MACD dead cross confirms, it's not gonna be a good sign. Dow Jones in red for today. Daily MACD is dead crossing again. Direction is down on everything pre-market. IWM, RUT, RTY, small caps pressuring down. DXY, big jump up after job number, went all the way up above 103,676. This one looks very bullish. It's not good for text right now pre-market, so need to come down in order for text to rip up. Otherwise, not a good sign there. TNX, big jump, big huge. Yesterday was a big dump, and it was very nice. It made TLT jump up, but right now because of TNX jump up, not a good sign. Pre-market 5, 15, 31 hour is upward, 4 hours curved up. So if it goes above 40.42, not gonna be a good sign either. Wix 2% higher. 1414 right now. If it continues higher, 1447, 1479 is the next major level. 1 hour is curved up. If that one confirms, not gonna be a good sign. In general, daily and weekly on VIX are still very bullish. That's a warning sign. Just keep in mind. Usually in the past, if something like this, it means like a big red day is incoming. But for now, deep buyers not letting it go. Um, SPX kind of flat for now, so 4906 most likely is gonna open, and if it falls, watch 4886. That's a key level to watch. If it can hold there, we're looking at 4866 and 4854 major level, but need to get above 49 if it wants to recover and go higher. If techs recover at open and go higher, it's all about 4916. Past that one, 4916, 4932, and 4948 is the next major levels. BTC, daily MACD is golden cross finally. Weekly was about to dead cross, but it's diverting up for now. Pre-market showing weakness on 5 to 1 hour and the 4 hour, but 40k was a big support. So right now, unless it goes 40k, then it can get again bearish. But for now, between 40 and 43 up and down. Apple earning was horrible. I mean, earning was good, but the problem was China. They didn't do good in China, and iPad sales was very low too. Watch sales was low, and it came down all the way to 180. So two key levels to watch this morning: 181.13 and 179.51. If 181.13 passes, can head for recovery higher level, and if 179.51 can hold it, can go all the way down to 175.82. Pre-market and 1 hour, 4 hour looking bearish. So until they're not golden cross, don't expect a major bounce up. Amazon, very close to all-time high, hit 174. Just let you know, in this kind of situation, if you have lotto calls, if you play the earning, and your call is in the money, you don't have to wait for the next day to lock you again. You can call your broker and have it locked. So it went to 174, for example. If you had 165 a call, you could call yesterday and lock it for $9. But this morning, you probably at the open, you probably be able to sell it at 5, maximum 6. At the open. So we'll see. Pre-market right now, 5:15:30 is downward. 1 hour, we got dark blue bar hovering around 169.6. If 168.48 can hold it, can go retest lower level. But most likely this one at some point at the day, it's gonna have a jump up. Wait for the 5 minutes MACD golden cross. Once that one confirms, follows by 15, it can go all the way to the high of yesterday. 171.42, 173.24 is the next target. If it passed 173, and those are the higher target. This one is not too far from all-time high. Most likely this season, this new season for it, it will come. And 180.02 and 188, those are the next major level to watch next few weeks. Nvidia making a new all-time high after right now, but is still holding up compared to other names. 637, if it can hold it, it can pull back to the lower level, but need to pass 644 for run up. 644 passes, 650, 655.98 is the next major level. Pre-market, again, this one shows weakness, but 1 hour and 4 hour is still not too bearish yet. 4 hour is very bullish, but 1 hour is not that cross yet. AVGO kind of flat, it went up, now it's pulled back, so need to pass 12.15 for run up to 12.29, 12.48. Baba, kind of flat for now. I liked it yesterday that the 4 hour was golden cross. I was expecting a gap up open today, but usually they don't follow technicals. But this one is just, Baba is just unpredictable. Netflix. Netflix, 4 hours still pressuring down. We got yellow bar on the 4 hour, and what is still we need is best is to wait for a 4 hour golden cross. It's still daily, weekly are bullish, but pre-market showing some weakness. 563 if it can hold it, 562, 561.15 below 561. Those are the next level to watch. But usually Netflix does a bounce up midday, and we'll see if 565 passes, can run up to 567, 569 and higher level. Meta, unbelievable. This was just like the best situation can happen to any company earning. They had a good earning. They announced buyback. They announced dividend for the first time. I mean, what else do you want? I mean, that's why it jumped up so huge. And yeah, so 463, 470.92 is the next major level. 470.92 is the next major level. If 470.92 passes, we're looking at 477. Thank you very much. 487.45 and 497.67 is the next major level. My target for this season is 524.41, 562, and next super major is 611, which is possible to come before next earning. Pre-market again on the 5:15:30, 1 hour is showing weakness. 1 hour just got a dark blue bar. So if 547 can hold it, it's possible to retest 450, maximum 445, worst case scenario 437. But if when you see 5 and 15 MACD golden cross confirms, can go for another run up. All-time high pre-market is 465. If it passes that one, 470 easy to come. For above 470 can get really squeezy. 477, 487, 497. Sorry about that again. Tesla, 1 hour was golden crossing yesterday after market, but again weakness there. 4 hour we got red bars actually, and 4 hour is near dead cross. So if the daily and weekly are very bearish, still I like it that the weekly got a stochastic fast got a golden cross. That's why it's holding up. But in general, it doesn't have seems like power to go to 200 right now. And if 4 hour MACD dead crosses, it can go for another big dump. Right now, 184.71 is holding yesterday low. If that one doesn't hold, 183.35 below that, those are the next level. 181, 178, 177.59. Need to get above 186, 189 for run up, but the 4 hour and 1 hour is not showing any sign of for run up right now. Microsoft, nice jump up pre-market, but then again, job number made it pull back, hovering around 406. If it jumps up at open, we're looking at 409, 411. But again, if it pulls back, 403 is key level to watch, and below that, those are the levels. Pre-market again, just mix some mixed signal. 4 hour is golden cross still and the bullish, but daily we got dark blue bar, mixed signal, hard to tell. Probably is gonna consolidate. Google in general is bearish, but right now 140.62 and 139.36 is holding very strong. Once it passed 139.36, can go for another big dump there. Weekly is still not, even though with this big drop, weekly is still bullish. That's interesting. Daily MACD is dead cross, 4 hours still downward. Need to get a 4 hour MACD golden cross for run up. And yeah, so this one is a category of weak names. Just keep that in mind. AMD went higher pre-market, but then it pulled back. 172.28 if it can hold it. 170.95, 170.12 can come. I need to get above 173.62 for run up to the higher level. Pre-market 5:15.30, 1 hour is pointing downward, but 4 hour is still bullish. And just keep in mind, daily in general is dead cross and pointing down, pressuring down. Boeing was dumping at open yesterday, and right now 208 hovering around it. So if 207.53 can hold it, can go retest low of yesterday 205.2. Past that one, 203.11. Pre-market 5:15.30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hour we got dark blue bar, so there's more chance for it to run down. Daily MACD is near golden cross, so once that one confirms, can go for another for some multi-day run up. But it's all about news. SPY, 4 hour curve down on the MACD, still TTM squeeze is still bullish, but 5:15.31 hour is pointing down. 489.06, that's the level you want to watch. If you can't hold it, back to the yo-yo range of yesterday, 487 and 485. Wait, actually, let me show you. So yesterday we had a period of time the market was going up and down a lot. Here between 486 and 488. If yeah, so if 489 can hold it, it can go back to that yo-yo range again between 488 and 486. 488 if it can hold it, 487, 485, 76. But again, as always, keep in mind, if you see 15 and 5 MACD golden cross, can go all the way back up and run up to the higher pre-market. 492.36 is a key level. Past that one, those are the next levels. QQQ went nicely up because of the earnings, but then job report is pulling it back down. Same like all other names, 5:15.31 hours downward, 4 hours still. We got the bullish on the MACD and the TTM squeeze, but in general, daily MACD is dead cross. So 423 and 425.08, those are the two key levels you want to watch. Past either one can make a bigger move. Below 423, 420, 418, 417, low chance to happen today because of Meta and Amazon, but worst case is 420.78. Need to get above 425 to run up to 428, 420, 431.55. Once the 5 minutes and 15 minutes MACD golden cross confirms past 425, high chance to go to 428, small chance for 31 to come today. IWM, this one is just I'm just going up and down every day, but just ignore it for today unless TNX comes down. TLT was a nice run up yesterday, but right now is going lower. So 95.91, 94.48, 94.98 is the next target. Airbnb is gapping down. 142.72 if you can hold it. We're looking at 138.48 next level. What else you got? Airbnb, Adobe. It went to a new, almost new high, but then it pulled back. What else? You got Caterpillar is just making a new all-time high every day. Need to pass 310.41 for next key is 319.03. Very bullish on daily and weekly still. The Costco is making a new highs, but it's just hovering around 700. If it jumps up again, we're looking at 713, 733 next major level. About 4 hours dead crossing. What else you got? Um, JP Morgan was very weak yesterday. 4 hour is very bearish right now, and daily MACD is on the edge to have a dead cross. So if it dumps again, next major level is 170.99, 168.9. NYCB is a stock that causing issue about banks, so just keep that in mind. If this goes bad, again, Fed has to get involved or buy it back if it's gonna cause some problem for banking system. What else you got here? LLY is strong. That one 666.8 is the next major. Above that 672.07. That's pretty much it. Let me just go fast here. SMCI just crazy, every day is going up, but pre-market showing some weaknesses. 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is showing downward. So if 590 can hold it, 587, 580, 575 need to get above 595 for run up to 607, 617, 626. Don't see any possibility based on indicators that open to have a jump up, but once the 5 and 15 MACD golden cross and pass for 595 can run up higher. If you have calls, it's better to lock at open. um, Snow 6 points higher. Need to pass 208.76 for run up to 210, 212, 214. Shop 4 points higher. Interesting. Did I miss some news? 81.21. That's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 84.67, 89.07. Those are the next major long targets. For 4 hour is near golden cross. Need to pass 81.21 to get interesting. Uh, Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in and have a beautiful day. ARM, somebody asked. Um, ARM daily in general is downward, trend is down in general. Weekly it's kind of flat, and the 4 hour is in the golden cross mode, but right now we got dark blue bar. Pre-market right now 5, 15, 30, 1 hour is downwards, so 70.64. If it can hold it, it can go back down to 69.77, 69. I need to get above 71.03 for run up to 71.58, 72.28. But in general, just keep in mind daily is pressuring down. Need to get above 70 to get interesting again. And the 4 hour, we need to get more yellow bar and goes into the blue, light blue territory. Then it can get interesting. Yeah. All right. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.